question number 11 says the two missing angles x are equal. Find x. And it also tells us that the sum of all other angles is 766. So this angle, plus this angle, plus this angle, plus this one, and this one, together those are 766. So we also need to know what is the sum of all of the angles. So how many angles total do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So using our formula, 8 minus 2 times 180, 6 times 180, we get 1080. So 1080 degrees is the total for all of the angles. So if I take 1080 and subtract the 766, then we get 314 degrees. Now this 314 degrees, because we subtracted the 766, the 314 is how much between the two x's. So the two x's together equal 314. So to get the individual x, I need to take 314 and divide it by 2. So 314 divided by 2, we get 157. So x itself is 157.